So go be again ohenetwene.org. Now we're going to be checking for cardiologists. Just search your occupation. We just want to make sure this qualifies if you don't have a high school certificate. So for cardiologists, we're going to go to the job zone. Job zone is 5 and SVP ranges 8.0 and above. So a cardiologist obviously qualifies. This job zone 5 examples are lawyers, pharmacists, astronomers, biologists, clergy, physician assistants, and veterinarians. It even has a median wage. I believe it's $115 per hour median range for cardiologists in the U.S. So you can also find how much these people, some professions are earning. The general or the average wage that some of these occupations are earning. It's not relevant for the purposes of the visa lottery, but if you are interested in that. Now let's search for another occupation. Let's do mechanic. And we're going to pick probably automotive service technicians and mechanics. And let's see how, that's going to work out. So let's go to the job zone. And it's job zone 3. They're out. And then SVP range is 6.0 to 7.0. So they are obviously out. They cannot, they are not eligible based on the work experience. They cannot sign up. So barbers, court reporters, medical assistants, desktop publishers, electricians, agricultural technicians, they're all within the job zone 3. And so it looks like they will not qualify to sign up for the visa lottery based on work experience because their occupation will not qualify. Okay. So that's how you check. Just go to ohenetwene.org and then search for your occupation. Let's look at teacher. Let's do elementary school teacher like class 1, class 2, or first grade, second grade. Let's go to job zone 4, considerable preparation needed. SVP range is 7.0 to 8.0. So this will qualify if you are an elementary school teacher. You have at least 2 years work experience within the last 5 years as an elementary school teacher. Because your SVP range is 7.0 to 8.0, you will qualify. Your job zone is 4, so you will qualify. Work style, self-control as a teacher. You should have self-control. There's a lot of job descriptions here. Let's look at pastor. Yeah, that's a good one, pastor. So we're going to click on clergy. Let's pick clergy. Now, bishop, Catholic priest, people in that job description. Now, job zone is 5. You need extensive preparation to enter into this field, and SVP range is 8.0 and above. Okay, so if you you are a clergyman, then you will qualify. And the Ohenetwene.org, the U.S. Department of Labor database for the visa lottery. Now let's see, if you do profit, you're not going to get anything. So don't worry if you're unable to find your exact profession. Just type your, pastor, like your field, and then you can go to the drop down and then select the one that really works with you. Music director here. Job zone is job zone 4. That's good. Considerable preparation needed. SVP range is 7.0 to 8.0. So they will qualify. If you're a music director, you'll be eligible if you have at least 2 years of experience within the last 5 years and you do not have a high school certificate or you've not completed high school. Now the skills, active listening and then hearing sensitivity, you should be able to detect differences between sounds that vary in pitch and loudness, fluency of ideas, originality, richness, comprehension, information ordering. Those are the skills needed. And then you see the wage of a music director in the US also, $30 an hour averagely. Now let's look at a baker. Look at the baker. So let's click on that. Now you'll see some of the occupations have bright outlook. It means that these are great professions or fields to get into. These fields are expected to grow really within the next few years. So good choice of occupation if you're trying to figure out what to do. Now Baker job zone is 2, and then we missed the SVP rating, but it will not qualify. Once you're in job zone 2, then you will not obviously qualify to use your work experience as a baker for the visa lottery. Doctor, let's go to doctor. These have a lot of bright outlook professions. And then lawyers also bright outlook. The job is expected to grow within the next several years as well. So that's really great. Okay, now let's take a look at the IT information technology. You'll see that these have a lot of bright outlook fields. So computer and information systems. Let's look at the job zone and then the SVP rating as well. So job zone 4 and then SVP rating of 7.0 high or 8 to 8, 7.0 to 8. So that's fine.